Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the stock market show. CYBL stock. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm seeing a stock that's getting ready to blow up. I've seen this pattern before. You guys remember this pattern? You guys see this? Boom. Look at that. It's almost like the cycles repeat. And then there was the big explosion, right? Is that what we're about to get here? Is this stock trending to the upside and then just getting ready to make a bigger move? Are we finally going to 2 cents? I don't know, but what I do know is I'm seeing the same pattern as before. Is this here the same thing, right? Did the same thing happen here? Or I'm wondering if this is just a very reliable pattern that happens on this stock. I haven't really been keeping track of CYBL. Confirm. Okay, let's see. Nah, I don't think we can make much of that. I mean, I don't know. This stock loves to create this falling wedge pattern a lot, which is something we can abuse, right? Because that's what this channel is about. It's about abusing patterns. Like, is there a pattern we can abuse? Well, hell yeah, there is. I'm already in with like what, 3-4 grand. I don't even know how much I've put in. I put in about 3 or 4 grand. I'd have to check. I don't keep track of it. As this is not one you really want to be like eyeballing day to day. Like I finally, after years of trading, I've learned that it's just that's not what you should be doing. You should not be eyeballing the stock day to day. Like you should just you buy in and that's it. You just sit back. Like you set an alert when it pumps and that's it. That's all there is to it. I don't think, at least for now, I don't think we have to be concerned about anything. Or maybe we should be concerned. Should we be concerned? I don't think we should be concerned, right? It's not that big of a deal. Unless no, we shouldn't be concerned about what I was thinking about what's going on with the markets right now. The market right now it just hanged. But, do we really care? As CYBL, we don't care. We know what they got going on. Sure, they're not dropping Catalyst every day. But if you guys remember that math that we did, let's remove all this. I think I remember you guys remember the math I did? Where I measured out like how long it takes for us to get a pump. So from here to here, 59 days? I mean, I'm just roughing it here. Yeah, I think I remember doing this math. I think the average was like 50-something days. So, according to my math, Shade's math, we should get a pump in August. I think I remember saying that. I completely almost forgot about that video that I made where I literally measured out like how long between pumps. I think the average came out to like 50-something days, with the exception of some of the data from the past year when it was barcoding. I'm not going to count that. But yeah, like 51 days here. I mean, I know this is ridiculous that I'm measuring, but this was the longest here. I don't know why. Am I going to need a new mouse? Yeah, this one took quite a while. This was like the longest time here, 110 days. So what, 3 months almost? No, 3 months? No, 4 months. Yeah, that's insane that it took 4 months for this to finally bottom out and then get another pump. But then... Yeah. So you can see on average about 2 months, maybe 2 months we get a big pump. At least for a penny stock, a big pump, right? 30% plus is what I'm talking about. I think we're going to get a pump in August. Could be wrong, but just based off of... Because if we don't pump in August, when are we pumping then? In another 2 months then? That's really what that would mean. It would be one of those pumps that happens every 4 months. It doesn't even matter. I think we're going to pump. It's going to be big. At least, again, because it's a penny stock, right? It can move 50% real easy. All it has to do is move, 0035 right now, and that's a 50%er. So if it goes to 1 penny, if this goes to 1 penny and beyond, it'll go to like 0.0112-ish and get rejected there like it's always had. It's always gotten rejected here, so that's like at the big level. It would be about a 50%er. Like we can measure that. Let's see. Let's grab the measuring tool. Right here, current price, yeah, 56%. Yeah, so about 50%. So I mean, that's why I've been accumulating. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna stop trying to time the bottom. I know what I hold. I don't care. I'm gonna continue to buy as it goes down. Again, that just comes with experience. I was trying too hard to time the bottoms. You can time bottoms on some stocks if the bottom is obvious, but with the way this one behaves, it's like, we know what's coming. We have the patience now. Let's stop trying to buy the bottom. Obviously, we're not gonna buy the top. That would be silly, but we'll buy after it comes down nice and cheap. And I think this is a good spot. I mean, if I was sitting, if I just continue, the trader of me, the trader from the shades from like 6 months ago, I would have been waiting for like 003s, 004s. Like I'd just be sitting here like, come on down to 003s. Like I'd just be sitting there waiting for it, and it might never come. So I was just like, you know what? Maybe the best strategy is just to average down and just spread your buys as it goes lower and stop worrying about. Because when it goes, it goes. So it's gonna come back up for me anyways. At least for the positions that are higher. I think my highest position is 008. So I'm not. Is it 008 or 009? I don't remember. But yeah, I think based on my analysis, we're gonna get another pump. It's gonna be easy money. That's all there is to it. I will see you guys in the next video.